Today we will be building generative adversarial networks. It is by far my favorite type of model, because it is actually very smart idea. I give you example. You want to transfer style from one image to another, and you can't use usual approach with backpropagation because you need labeled data and you don't actually know how this image will look with this style. Of course, you can get a bunch of artists and they will draw for you, but there actually better approach to this. There is generator, which is generating images, and discriminator, which should distinguish between fake image and real image. They basically play the game. If generator starts generate really good images and discriminator thinks they are real, we train discriminator more, so it can again distinguish between fake and real. And yeah, this is basically it. There we have actual algorithm for training. I have architecture that I will be implementing there. This will be really simple GAN because I don't have idea how to make style GAN so it can transfer styles, but I will do this hopefully in next video. This model will be generating mnist images, so just a basic image of numbers. So I will code those generator and discriminator and will return. So now we have interesting part where we actually implementing thing called adversarial process, as far as I know. This is basically replicates this whole process. Actually, because they use k equals 1, I didn't make another loop. So, as you may notice, this function for discriminator, this loss function for discriminator is very close to binary cross entropy loss, and we can use that. Actually, don't know which one will work better. I will try with binary cross entropy, but maybe when this experiment will be success and I will know I implemented modules as they need to be, I can try to implement this in PyTorch. So off camera I fixed some problems, like I forget to zero gradients, and also I remember that I generated fake image 2 times, one time there and one time there, and was redundant because I just can detach fake image. This image will pass without any gradients, and I don't need gradients for generator in discriminator because it may poison them. One important thing that I forget to do is to make more epochs. Also off camera I added those metrics, and this is result which I got. I think if we make more epochs, we can accomplish better. I will add those epochs and return. Okay, I have sped up model 3 times. What I did, I reduced the times of prints and writes to the disk. But I think major thing I did is I set pin memory to true and number of workers to 8. So it probably made data load faster to GPU. And as you may see, I tried to add torch compile, but it didn't work out because it actually reduced my samples per second. I think because model is relatively small and there is no really a lot of computation going on. So this is basically it. And it is already trained. As you can see, there is more shape of a digit, but it is not quite what I expected to see. Maybe I should decrease lowering rate. So I try this and will return. So as you can see, it is still look bad because I forgot one important thing: normalization of data. So theoretically, if I do this, okay, why we need this? Because this will convert the image to diapason from 1 to -1, and we need this because we also doing 1 - 1 in this in generator because we use 10H. Yeah, this is basically reason. So I train and return to you. Okay, it is already looking far better than before, but still bad. The reason for this is because GAN is a highly unstable model, and perhaps we can stabilize it with some normalization in model itself, something like batch normalization, but I will do this later. Also, I would like to optimize this model. It is absolutely unnecessary, but I want to practice my Triton skills, and yeah, this is basically the reason. So by timeline you may notice that video ends like in a minute. This is because optimization and some experiments with this model is probably another 2-3 hours of raw footage. And honestly, I hate editing videos because I have no mental power for this, nor interest. And I literally have like 3 videos waiting for editing, and they probably are never came out into the world. So I decided to just make quick video and call it a win. Next week I probably will post video about optimization and some experiment that I want to done, and probably style GAN. So thanks for your attention, good luck.